Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in to another episode of Creative Camp Cooking. We're hanging out in some beautiful mountains up here. Just amazing scenery. Weather's been fantastic. We got sunsets that are just crazy over here to the west of us. Yeah, it's been pretty awesome so far, but we're set up a little bit differently. There's been a case of some flies, so they're a little thick this time of year right now. And we're actually just hit the fire ban for the season, so we're not able to have a fire to help smoke them out. So we decided to set up the annex and just have ourselves a nice little screen tent and set up our cooking station in there just so that we can get away from the pests for a little bit while we get to cooking. So Vannessa's in here. She's got something awesome started up, so let's go talk to her and see what she's got going on.
Thanks for keeping those flies out.
Yeah, we're doing our best here. So what do we got started here?
Well, I got a pound of ground chicken here going. So we have something delicious that we are making up tonight. Something fairly new that we've only tried maybe a couple of times and never here on the disco. So pretty excited for chicken lettuce wraps.
Ooh, yeah. So refreshing, something nice to snack on here for the evening. It's been a little warm, so this will be a good change of pace from some of the hot meals that we generally have here at camp. So
yeah,
I'm looking forward to it.
Little hot component with a not so hot component, fresh lettuce. That's right. So now we're going to add in about 3/4 of a small yellow onion here. I do want to say that I did get inspiration for this recipe some time ago online, so I can't remember where online, but we definitely tweaked it a little bit. So just want to say that we did have a good foundation to start with. So added that onion there. Now did about 2 cloves or so of garlic, minced, chopped up there. All right, I'm gonna give that a good stir. It already smells really good. Garlic and onion can't go wrong with that, can you? Garlic and onion candle.
That could be awesome.
That could be, hey, don't take it, anybody. Don't take it. That's ours. Right? Who doesn't love that smell? I don't know, maybe some of you don't love that smell, but we certainly do. All right, we're gonna let that kind of mingle while I get some of the other ingredients ready here. All right, so now we are going to add like a tablespoon or so of rice vinegar here. Not too much. 2 tablespoons or so of soy sauce. You can see I'm just eyeballing it. And then some hoisin sauce here. Just gonna add in quite a bit of this. We're going for about around 1/4 of a cup or so. I'm just gonna kind of see what it looks like when I mix it all together. Yeah, give it a little bit more poison. Reminds me of that song Poison. Dating myself? Am I dating myself?
Maybe. It's already starting to smell real nice. I can see why the flies are trying to congregate on the outside of the screens here, so.
Yes. Thanks for being on screen duty. Let that keep cooking up here. What do you think?
Yeah, I think it's looking really good. Yeah, cook it down to thicken it up a little bit, and
yeah,
we'll be ready for the next step, it looks like.
Looks good on the hoisin sauce to you?
Looks great.
Me too. Okay. All right, got a few more ingredients to add here. One ingredient we're trying out here is some Asian teriyaki hot sauce. Just gonna do a dab. I know he'll add some more, but for me, well, a dab will do. There we go. Add in a little bit of ginger here, not too much, and then also a little bit of turmeric, some salt, and a little bit of fresh ground pepper here. All right, give that a good stir. All right, we're just gonna let that kind of simmer here for a little bit. It is definitely thickening up here a little bit. So we're gonna let that simmer a little bit more, thicken up a little bit more before we add water chestnuts and some green onion to it. So stay tuned. All right, now we're just gonna add in some water chestnuts there. Get all that goodness out. Some green onion. And we're gonna cook this for about 2 minutes. And then we'll be ready to eat. Come on over here, Jason. Tell me what you think.
I'm liking the looks of this. I can't wait to get some lettuce wrapped around that. Stick it in my face.
I say it's time to do it then.
All right.
All right. Let's make us up some lettuce wraps. Got some butter lettuce here as our little boat for our goodness. All right, we're gonna turn down that heat just so we can keep it warm and not cooking too much while we put in some lettuce. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay, just gonna spoon some of this in there. Fill those guys up with some goodness. I have a feeling, even though it's a lettuce wrap, we still might need a fork. All right, 3 beauties right there. Let's check them out, see how they taste. If we can do it. Can we do it? I feel like we need to wrap this up like a dolma. I'm going for it. It's hot.
Mmm.
So good.
That right there. Mm-hmm. That's nice.
This was a perfect recipe for the disco, if I do say so myself. Easy, fast, great on the disco.
Refreshing. It really is. It really is really good. Very good idea.
Thanks.
As always, thank you guys for tuning in. There's a little square in the bottom right hand corner of that video right there. If you hit that, it'll actually give you a little subscription option, or hit the bar. Either way. If this looks good to you, give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. If there's something special you want us to cook at camp, let us know. We're currently in a fire ban, so keep that in mind. We might be having to do some skillet meals or whatever, but give us a camp challenge. We'd love to hear from you and see if we can create something that looks tasty on your menu. So thanks again for tuning in, everybody, and we'll catch you next time right here on Roam Bearded.
Roam on.
If it wasn't scorching hot, you'd probably still notice a little better.
Probably would.
Lava hot.